Hello, I'm Selahattin Bilgen, the Chief Executive Officer of IGA Istanbul Airport. We are honored to be hosting this year's ACI Europe Annual Congress and General Assembly event on behalf of ACI Europe. I'm delighted to be able to welcome all ACI members, associates, business partners, airlines and aviation professionals to Istanbul in Turkey for this prestigious flagship event between the 2nd and 4th of July. We are privileged to be welcoming the aviation community for one of the most important meetings for European airport leaders in the world. We look forward to networking with you all, discussing important developments for the future of the aviation industry and introducing you to our beautiful city, Istanbul. This event will be essential for the planning of our future. Topics that we can expect to discuss will include geopolitics, operational resilience, sustainability, strategic cooperation between airport operators and aviation stakeholders, and more. As a part of this truthfully curated conference program, key speakers who are experts in their field will be invited to offer their perspective on the most notable challenges, trends, opportunities, and overall themes dominating our industry in a series of unmissable keynote speeches, interviews, and panel sessions. This world-class event will provide an invaluable opportunity for networking, collaboration, discovering investment prospects, and staying ahead of the competition. I'm confident that this will be an extremely beneficial event for not only European airports, but for the aviation industry as a whole. Please join us in Istanbul to experience the wonders of this 8,500-year-old ancient city, boasting a rich history of empires and cultures of the past. With access to over more than 120 countries within a 4-hour flying time and famously connecting the East and the West, there is no better place to celebrate the ever-evolving aviation industry than with the global connectivity hub of IGA Istanbul Airport. We look forward to seeing you all in Istanbul.